Today is the 14th of October 2022. Tuularinkatu 34 stekis F in Rahola. Tampere, Tampere, Pirkanmaa, Finland. This is the last stekis in this residential building.
Yeah.
Second is D and F accessible. That's these three questions. This is put in 1964. 12 years old last year, 2019. It's got 6 floors. The serial number is H11679. And it will be inspected in 2022. Stakes D, E, and F are accessible through the same corridor.
Yeah. Probably also.
A, B, C.
Yeah.
If we can only get into one of them, then we can get into all.
Yeah.
And I didn't think this was from the mid 1960s.
Yeah.
I thought it was older.
Yeah.
I thought it was from the 1950s. It looked like 1950s.
Yeah.
But it was still made nicely in 1964.
Yeah.
Not so brutalist in the architecture.
Yeah. Can take counter, right?
But we have time to film now.
Yeah.
Because there is no time. Or maybe because 1964 is a bit rare for
Yeah.
some reason. I don't know why it was rare.
Yeah.
And in this case, it doesn't have any floor indicator. It only has the hero lamp and the windows on the doors.
Yeah.
But it could also be early 1964. I think it's early 1964.
Yeah.
It's interesting that even though the door to the basement floor is locked up, but inside it's open.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
That's